Welcome to our new video about CapCut editing. If you're looking to create high-quality content for YouTube using CapCut, here are some ideas for video editing content that can engage your audience. Number 1. Tutorial videos. Create tutorials demonstrating how to use specific features of CapCut, such as adding effects, transitions, or text overlays. Break down the editing process step by step to make it easy for beginners to follow along. Number 2. Editing tips and tricks. Share tips and tricks for editing videos more efficiently using CapCut. This could include keyboard shortcuts, time-saving techniques, or creative editing hacks. Number 3. Creative Effects Showcase. Showcase the creative possibilities of CapCut by creating videos that highlight unique effects, transitions, and filters available in the software. Experiment with different editing techniques to inspire your viewers. Number 4. Video Editing Challenges. Start video editing challenges where you provide a theme or prompt, and encourage your audience to create their own videos using CapCut. Feature the best submissions in your videos and offer feedback to participants. Number 5. Behind-the-scenes content. Take your audience behind the scenes of your video editing process. Show them how you plan, shoot, and edit your videos using CapCut, providing insights into your creative workflow. Number 6. Collaborations. Collaborate with other content creators or artists to create collaborative editing projects using CapCut. This could involve editing each other's footage or working together on a creative video concept. Number 7. Q&A sessions. Host Q&A sessions where you answer questions from your audience about video editing, CapCut features, or general filmmaking advice. This can help build engagement and foster a sense of community on your channel. Remember to keep your content informative, entertaining, and visually appealing to keep your audience engaged. Experiment with different video formats and styles to find what resonates best with your viewers. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel EM Master for watching more videos.